Today, let us make this talking dog paper puppet. You'll need these following materials. First, let's take an A4 size paper and fold the two longer ends over each other as shown. Make sure its shorter side should be the width of your fingers together. Then glue the two long ends to each other. They should form a long, flat tube. Next, fold the tube into half. Then fold the ends of the tube to the middle of the tube. Make sure to match the ends to the center when folding for a clean finish. Now, open it up. Glue the middle to the ends of the tube. Make sure that the side you're folding together and gluing is the side that has one line in the middle of it. Now, when you've finished it, there should be one edge with two open holes. Put your fingers into the holes. You have a talking dog puppet base. Next, take a red piece of paper and cut a rounded edge into the short side of it. This will form your dog's tongue. Paste this dog's tongue into the middle of your dog's mouth. Now take a brown piece of paper and cut a rounded triangle into it. This will form your dog's nose. Paste it there. Now take a brown piece of paper and fold it in half. Cut a semicircle into it first. Then take the semicircle and cut another curved edge into it on the side that's joined together. This should form a rounded bean shape, which makes two dog ears. Paste the small ends of the dog's ears to the corner of the dog's head. Now take two googly eyes and paste them where the dog's eyes should go. Lastly, take a black marker and draw 3 little dots on each side of the dog's cheeks. And there you have it! Bow wow!
Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.